Friends, traditionally, vegetable and noodles of Pancit Bihon is cooked separately. I did it, and my pancit was a hit, no leftover. If you are new to our channel, welcome, and hope you will like our video and come back for more. Let me show you how I cook it. These are the ingredients of our Pancit Bihon, and you will also see it on our description box. I will not show you how I cut them to keep our video short. And here is our few slices of pork belly. We are boiling them with onions, spring onion, and black pepper with water, like 4 or more cups, and that water will become our broth when we cook our noodles, our pancit. Okay? These are our ingredients now. Okay, we will be cooking in 2 batches. So I separate the Chinese sausage into. We will be cooking the noodles and the vegetable separately. Okay, here's our shrimps, tails on, then the skin. I will pound it the way we learn from our folks. Meron daw sabaw tayong makukuha dyan. Later on, I will show you. Okay, I have also 2 batches of onions for our soup and noodles. Our pork is tender now. It's ready. We can slice it and have it ready for the ingredients. Okay. Let us drain our broth. Our pork is tender now. We no longer need more time to saute this later. You see, it's so tender. I could almost eat it. Delicious. Let us cook our vegetables first. Garlic, onions, Chinese sausage or chorizo de bilbao, our shrimps, portion of pork, fish balls,
pang-topping yan.
2 tablespoons fish sauce, some green onions, some carrots, cabbage, celery, Let's add a little broth to cook. Let's cover it to cook for a few minutes. Let's see. Our vegetable is cooked now. Let's set it aside. Okay, there you go. Let's now cook our noodles. 2 tablespoons oil, garlic, remaining sausage, onion, remaining pork, two tablespoons soy sauce, let's cover it to cook real quick. Now let's add our broth. Then later, we will add our noodles. Let's boil it for a few minutes. Okay, let's add our shrimp paste soup, the peel we pound, and yeah, one more. Add flavor to our broth. Noodles, you know these noodles. I have 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Let's cover it a bit. Let's cover it a bit. Na ay mali na naman ako. Let's mix it. Let's separate the noodles. You can also cut your noodles if you want. think we have just enough soup for our noodles to cook. Let's taste it before the soup dry out. We need more soy sauce. And pepper. Now let's add some of our vegetables. And the soup. Okay. Give it a mix. Our pancit is almost ready. Okay, let's add our spring onion as light garnish. There, our Pancit Bihon is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.